Please, emergency, how can I help?
Yeah, hang on. You can help me if you can, please. But before I go any further, all I want to do is ask a simple question. Is that about, say, road tax? Is it possible to get road tax? You have to have road tax to drive, which I know you do, but...
Right, okay. This is not a reason for you to be calling 999, unfortunately.
Well, yeah, but the thing is, I've called 999, and you put me on to people, and if there's another emergency, I can't get... Nobody's calling me back. I've been an hour, I've been on the phone.
This is not an emergency, unfortunately. There's other people that need the line.
Well, can you put me through to another station then, please? Thank you.
I can't put you through to the station because you've called on the 999 line. It's only to be used for emergencies only.
All right, thank you. Sorry.
Okay.
Thank you. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye now.